awesome students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar connectors. Okay students, let us learn connectors. What are connectors? Connectors are said to be joining words as they join two or more sentences or words. Connector. They are also called as conjunction. Example 1. Smith and Veeru are good friends. Example 2. This man is poor but honest. The word and is used where there is relation between words or sentences. Example 1. Raj played well. Karan played well. Raj and Karan both played well. This mango is large. This mango is sweet. This mango is large and sweet. The word but is used when there is relation between words, phrases or sentence. Contrast with one another. Sentence joined using but have different or opposite meanings. Example 1. He is rich. He is not happy. He is rich but not happy. Example 2. I ran fast. I missed the train. I ran fast but missed the train. The word or is used in sentence joined by or to show a choice between two or more things. Example 1. Peanuts may be in the house. Peanuts may be in the garden. Peanuts may be in the house or garden. Example 2. He must do as he is told. He will be punished. He must do as he is told or he would be punished. Connector of time. Connector of time is when we combine two or more sentences that is related by the time we use. Example 1. My mother was happy. I got first rank in the class. My mother was happy when I got first rank in the class. Connector of place. Connector of place is when we use the connectors wherever and where to talk about place. Example 1. Wherever mother goes, the baby goes with her. Number 2. The baby goes where the mother goes. Connector of reason. Because, since, as, for, are some connectors used as connectors of reason. Example 1. He climbed the hill because it was there. Example 2. As he was poor, I helped him. Basically, connectors are conjunctions consisting of coordinating, correlative and subordinating. What is a coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions join parts of sentences of words, phrases or classes with related meaning. What is a class? A class is a unit which contains a subject and a verb. For example, it was raining. Here, it is the subject and was raining is the verb. Every sentences must contain at least one class, but it may contain more than one. Remember, for and nor, but, or, yet, so. Where do we place a coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction always come between words or classes that they join. For example, I like tea and coffee. When a coordinating conjunction joins an independent class, it is always correct to place a comma before the conjunctions. For example, it is a school break, so I am going to spend my time wisely. What is a subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction joins a main class or independent class and subordinate class or dependent class. Some common subordinating conjunctions are after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, than, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. A subordinating conjunction always comes at the beginning of a subordinate class. For example, Adi went swimming, although it was raining. Here, Adi went swimming is a main class, although it was raining is a subordinate class. However, a subordinate class sometimes comes before a main class. For example, although it was raining, Ram went swimming. Here, although it was raining is a subordinate class. Ram went swimming is a main class. What is a correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunctions used in pairs to link equivalent elements in a sentence. The most common ones are either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also. It was neither clever nor funny. Here clever is an adjective. Now try answer these simple questions. Now try and answer these simple questions. Well done, kids. You have just unlocked a key to your treasure. I hope you all understand the English grammar connector. Thank you. Bye.